Hi, this is Carla from HeyLinkMe, and today I'm going to show you how you can personalize or customize your own footer in your HeyLinkMe page. So to get started, once again, let's click Appearance, and in the Appearance tab, when you scroll down to the very end or to the very bottom, you will see the footer section right here. Then click it, and it will display several options for your footer. Just to give you an idea, in this right side of the screen, this is what your HeyLink Me page looks like. And this is your footer, the bottom part of your page. So in here, we have several options that you can personalize. Let's talk about this one by one. First is the HeyLink Me logo. So you can find it here at the very bottom of your page. So when you click on, it will hide the HeyLink Me logo. Every user of HeyLink Me can have the option to either hide or show the HeyLink.me logo. Another one is the option to hide the report abuse button. Take note that this is only available for pro users. So as you can see beside the hide the report abuse icon, you can see a pro beside it. So it means that it's only available for pro subscriptions. So it's right here, the eye enclosed in a circle. So you have the option to either show it or hide it. So if you click on, it will be hidden, and if you click off, it will still be there. Or another feature for pro users is the addition of your own logo. So for example, you are an influencer with your own logo, like for example, a logo for your YouTube channel or your TikTok channel that you want to incorporate into your HeyLink Me page. You can do that using the add your own logo feature, which is again only available for pro users. So we can see right here that the recommended format for the logo is either PNG or JPG. And in all cases, its size should not exceed 2 megabytes. So for example, you have a logo for your business or a logo for your branding, you can upload it here. So just to give you an example, just for example, this is my logo that I wanted to put. So you can see it right here. So if you add your own logo, of course, the HeyLink Me logo will be hidden and it will be replaced by your own logo. But you can remove this and it will just show the HeyLink Me logo. Another option that we can do is to add our own link and incorporate it into our logo. When you click the logo, it will direct you into the URL or to the link that you will put. So for example, I wanted to link my Instagram account. I can just copy it here, and when I click the logo, it will direct me to my Instagram account. So that's how adding the link works. And the last two things that I wanted to discuss with you is the logo position and the logo size. In our HeyLink Me page, we have the option to customize our logo's position. If you wanted to position it on the left, we can do that. Or if you want it to be at the center, we can also do that. The last thing that is under the footer section is the logo size. So again, all users are entitled to these options aside from the hide the report abuse icon and adding our own logo. But hiding the HeyLink.me logo, adding a link, customizing the logo position and the logo size are available for all users. So for the logo size, you have the option to change it to small, medium, or large depending on your preference. So in this case, it's small, but if we change it to medium, it will be like this. And if we change it to large, it will look like this. So that's basically how our footer works. So we can hide the HeyLink Me logo. And for pro users, we can hide the abuse report icon. So this one. We can also add our own logo like this. We could also add a link so that when we click the logo, it will direct us to the link that we specified, and we can change the logo's position and the logo size. So that's basically how the footer works, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.